Alright everybody, we've had a lot of people that seen us clean carpets with this thing, and that's pretty much what we do with it, but people asked us how it does on floors, and I'll tell you what, we're going to do just a quick floor cleaning video for you. Now, instead of using a pad that comes with the neat steamer, the Dupray neat steamer, I'm just going to use a 3M pad. I'm sure you all know what they are, so I don't need to explain them. And the good thing about a 3M pad is they're porous and they scrub, so the steam will go right through the bottom of the 3M pad, and this pad itself will give you a little extra scrubbing ability. So anyway, here it is in use. In truth, it works quite well. And you really don't have to fasten the 3M pad down on the thing. It just grabs to the plate that holds the, that holds the pad. It don't need to be fastened. And you just kind of go slow or fast, but you can go kind of slow. And just if there's anything in the tile or in the hard floor, it will. The combination of the super hot 275 degree steam along with the 3M pad, it'll scrub anything up. So I'm talking about flawless floor cleaning here. You can do this if you're a homeowner. You can do this as if you're a professional business. It don't matter. It works for everybody. So now when you're done, there's going to be a little bit of water residue left on the floor, and you can let that just dry if you want to. Now I like to dry my floor, so what I do is I have a separate tool, but you can use this and put a rag on the bottom of it that's dry, or you can do what I do, and you can use a tool like this, and we sell this tool on Amazon. It's a doodle bug. And you just put the rag down, it's like a Velcro plate, you put that on top of it, you just go across it like that, and it picks up everything. It'll pick up your water for you. And I say you mop your way in, and you mop your way out, and you'll have most of the water picked up from the steamer. It's not hard to do, anybody can do it. Let me see here, I'll even flip the rag over. Use the other side. Oh, that sticks good. This thing really grabs. I mean, it won't lose a rag for you. This doodle bug. This is what it looks like. It's got little teeth made in it. It's a pretty good tool. Real good tool, actually. But then I'll back my way out with the other side of the rag that's not as damp as the front side that I just used. And this floor will be dry in about a minute, if not faster. Anyway, we've had people ask us about how it cleans floors, and so we want to make this a little quick video just to show you. I mean, I can make a 20-minute video, but how much time do I need to put in to show a floor cleaning? If you're interested in the tool, there'll be in the Dupray steamer, that and the doodle bug. It'll be in the video description, where you can go to our Amazon link and purchase one for yourself. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video.